Book reading part. Book reading part. Cell, the basic unit of life. Components of the cell. The major components of the cell are cell wall and cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Each cell has a limiting boundary. Boundary is nothing but the end or layer. The cell membrane, plasma membrane or plasma lemma. It is a living membrane, outermost in animal cells but internal to cell wall in plant cell. It is flexible and can fold in and fold out. Okay. So the plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipid, and several models were proposed regarding the arrangement of proteins and lipid. The fluid mosaic model proposed by Singer and Nicholson is widely accepted. So in plant cell there are two layers. The outermost layer is called cell wall and the inner layer is called cell membrane. But in animal cell, there is only one layer. So that layer is cell membrane. Okay. And this, the quality or the characteristics of the cell membrane is it has the ability to flexible. Flexibility means easily bent without breaking. That's what happening in amoeba. Amoeba can change its position easily without breaking its body. Okay. And this cell membrane as the arrangements of protein and lipids. Okay, is made up of protein and lipids, and this is given by explained by Singer and Nicholson in the fluid mosaic model. So according to the fluid mosaic model, the plasma membrane is composed of a lipid bilayer. That means it has a two layers, phospholipid molecules into which a variety of globular proteins are embedded. So what is one layer is phospholipid, another one is globular protein. Each phospholipid molecule has two ends, one for water attracting, another one for water repelling. Repelling means denying or rejecting. The protein molecules are arranged in two different ways. One is extrinsic proteins. These proteins are present on the outer and inner surface of lipid bilayer. Integral proteins or intrinsic proteins. These proteins penetrate the lipid bilayer partially or wholly. Functions. The plasma membrane encloses the cell content. Encloses means include all the cell content. It provides cell shape. It provides the shape to the cell. Example, red blood cell, nerve cell, bone cell. It allows the transport of certain substance into and out of the cell, but not all substances. So much it is termed as selectively permeable. So cell wall, cell membrane only it is there. So the transportation of nutrients or the needed substances takes by the cell wall. So it is called as selectively permeable. So here there are two questions for you. Major components of the cell: cell wall and cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. List down the function of cell membrane. Plasma membrane encloses the cell content. It provides shape to the cell. Example, RBC, nerve cell and bone cell. It allows transport of certain substances into and out of the cell, but not all substances. So much it is termed as selectively permeable. So which cell organelle is called as selectively permeable cell membrane. Detailed question. Fluid. Explain about fluid mosaic model. The plasma membrane is composed of lipid bilayer, which means two layers. What are the two layers? Phospholipid molecule and a globular protein. What is there in phospholipid molecule? It has two ends, one for water attracting or else called as hydrophilic, and another for water repelling or else called as hydrophobic. The protein molecules are arranged in two different ways. One is extrinsic proteins. These proteins are present on the outer and inner surface of lipid bilayer. Another one, intrinsic proteins. These proteins penetrate the lipid bilayer partially or wholly. Partial means half, whole means full. Next, these are the three questions for classwork and also home test. So learn well and write. Your handwriting also must be clear, and your handwriting is very important. Now, worksheet is based on plant cell and animal cell. Okay. So what is see the picture, observe the picture and mention plant cell or animal cell. What is the cell A? Name the cell A. Name the cell B. label the parts. So here given arrow mark is given, so you have to write the part of the cell organelle. Here cell organelle is given. Okay, cell organelle is given, you have to write the function of cell organelle. Okay, I hope you will complete this in a neat way. Thank you, children.